We saw that a lot of slot game artists were trying to use general purpose AI tools like ChatGPT to make slot game assets. And they were all unhappy about the inconsistency of the images. So sometimes the AI will change the character when you ask it to only change the costume, or sometimes it'll get the camera angle wrong. And so they were spending a lot of time writing prompts and tweaking AI settings. Now, we at RenderWolf have expertise picking the right AI models for the right task when it comes to game assets. And we know how to make models produce consistent outputs. So we built Slot Studio using that knowledge. It's the first of its kind AI toolkit built specifically for slot game assets. It allows you to make images that look like they all belong in one game, and then it lets you edit them as much as you want until you achieve your creative vision. The entire premise of Slot Studio and really all RenderWolf products is that artists should be able to focus on creative work and leave the mundane work to AI. So for example, Slot Studio automatically separates all the images that artists generate on our platform into the foreground and background layers. Now it's a time-consuming and mundane task for artists. So we make that easy for them while they focus on figuring out what should be in the foreground and background of the image. But here's the real interesting thing. A lot of artists on our platform are actually using our product to brainstorm. So they'll ask the AI to come up with a few different concepts and ideas for an image or an asset, and then they'll pick the parts that they like from those and create the final asset that meets their creative vision for the project. The primary way in which creators use our service is by uploading their own images and artwork and then creating their own personal AI model. So this model is available only to the creator and nobody else, not even us. So the foundational principle on which all our products are built is that every creator should have their own private AI assistant that they can teach and improve over time. I think RenderWolf and really AI technology in general will drive one of the biggest creative changes in gaming history. So our mission at RenderWolf is to enable every single creative worker in a game studio to be able to build a fun and engaging game. So AI now makes it possible for artists to code a game prototype that was never possible before, or not every artist could do it. It allows designers and engineers to share image concepts with artists and try and speak the same language together. So I think we're going to see an explosion in creative and engaging games in the coming years because every member of a game team is being empowered to bring their creativity to life. I think iGamity is already helping creators stay informed about AI. So one of the biggest challenges for creators in the AI industry is the noise, just the overwhelming volume and news of new AI tool releases, new models every day, every week. So I think what iGamity does and can continue to do is highlight the AI applications that are specifically relevant to game design, math models, asset generation, player behavior, and allow creators to focus on learning what actually impacts their craft. And I think you can also continue to showcase creators' work that uses a combination of human ingenuity and AI assistance. And so when creators see these successful stories or peers discussing AI as a collaborative tool on your platform, rather than some kind of a replacement, it builds confidence for them as well.